In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 planning center hacks that are going to help you save time, streamline your workflows, and better communicate with your team. Let's do it. If you're new to the channel, my name is Alex Infiegin. I'm the founder of Worship Ministry Training, an online platform that has helped thousands of worship leaders all over the globe build healthy, organized, and excellent worship ministries. I'm also a worship pastor. I've been a worship pastor at churches of 100 all the way up to 10,000 people. So I'm going to show you some of the little known planning center tips that I've found over the years that have really helped make my life easier. Let's get into it. All right, the first planning center hack is the matrix view. Now you may know this one, but don't worry, I have some lesser known ones in just a minute. But the matrix view is a great view for seeing all of your services in an overview spreadsheet-like view that helps you really understand whether or not you are scheduling people too often or playing the same songs too often, too frequently. And the matrix view really helps you do that. It also helps you schedule multiple sets at a time if you'd like to do that. And it helps you schedule your teams, bulk schedule your teams, which is something that I always teach worship leaders to do. So the matrix view, as you can see, you got an overview spreadsheet. I've got all my songs here, and I can also see all of my teams here. And I can just kind of keep a bird's eye view on how is everything going, and am I spacing my team members out enough so that they're not getting burnt out, they're getting enough breaks, am I overusing someone? The matrix view is great for that. Let me show you how to get into the matrix view. Here on the plans section of Planning Center, go ahead and this button here, matrix, you can actually set some parameters before you click on it. Click the drop down arrow and you will see you can select how many previous plans you want to load into your matrix and how many future plans you want to load in your matrix. Then you click that button right there, and then it'll pull up this view that you see here. That is the matrix view. That's our first planning center hack. Here is your second planning center hack. The second planning center hack is email templates. Let me show you how to set up an email template and tell you why it's useful. So in any plan, you'll see this tiny little email icon right here. Click that and it'll pull up your compose window right here, and you'll see edit templates. You see this button, click that button, edit templates. And here you have different templates for things that you send out regularly. It might be, hey guys, I'm about to schedule May. So for example, that's here in the scheduling templates. You can edit one of these. You can put your own wording into it. That's useful to personalize it a bit. But my favorite template is this one, the welcome template. Go ahead and edit the welcome template. You can either create a new one or just edit the one that they have. Here's what you can do. Create some tutorial videos for your new team members and paste those videos here. So for us, I have created a tutorial video on how to use Planning Center so that a new team member can learn how to use Planning Center quickly, and I don't have to explain it to every single team member when they come on board. So that's one of my videos. And the other video I created was how to use our in-ear monitor app, and just so that they can get familiar with it before they come to our training session or our rehearsal. And so I've pasted these 2 tutorial videos that I've created into this welcome template. And so anytime I add a new team member to my team, they get an email from me with these 2 videos in it, and they can begin training even before they come for the in-person training. So this is a really great way to streamline your onboarding process by using Planning Center email templates. That is your second hack. The third Planning Center hack is to use tags on your songs. You can actually tag your songs and give them a numerical value. 1, 2, 3, 4, last song, closing song, communion song, offering song. You can actually tag your songs so that you can find them easier when you're building your sets. It's going to streamline and speed up your set building process. Let me show you how it looks, and then I'll teach you how to do it. So for example, let's say it's Monday morning and you need to pick songs, okay? So if you look at your massive song list, you've got maybe hundreds of songs to choose from. It can be overwhelming. So why not filter that down when you're building your set and say, okay, I need a good first song. Well, if you tag all of your songs, you can just add a filter. You can say first songs, and now it's only going to show me good first songs. And now I can just choose one, pick it, and drop it in as a good first song. So what you're going to do to create your tags is you're going to click on the songs portion of Planning Center. That will open up your song library, and you're going to go to the gear icon and click edit tags. Now, I already have a tag group created, but we're going to pretend I don't, and we're going to create a new tag group. This is what you would do. Click add tag group, call it song order or whatever makes sense to you, and save it. And then we're going to apply some tags here. So we're going to say first songs, second songs, third songs. You get the picture. You could say closing songs, offering songs, and maybe communion song. Okay. now we're gonna go back to our song library. And now that we've created those tags, we're gonna apply them to our song. So this is gonna take you probably 15 to 20 to maybe 45 minutes, depending how many songs you have. But once you do the work here, it's gonna save you hours down the line. So what we'll do is we'll click edit, bulk edit the songs, and go through all of your first songs that you typically like to put in the first slot. So I'm gonna just randomly choose some here, but just pick these. You're gonna pick, all the songs, and you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna go to page 2. You're gonna keep going. You can see that it retains that it's still 4 selected. So even if you switch between pages, you're not gonna lose all the ones you selected. And then once you've got them all selected, you're going to bulk edit, and you're going to add the tag first songs. Okay, song order first songs, update those 7. Then you're gonna go down the list and do all of your second songs and third songs and fourth songs and fifth songs. And this will allow you to filter your songs and quickly build your worship sets. That is the third Planning Center hack, which is song tags. Let's talk about the fourth one. Okay, the fourth Planning Center hack has to do with your smartphone, and it's to easily text your team by long pressing your app icon. So you can see this little green app icon that I have here, Planning Center Services. I'm gonna hold my thumb down on top of it, and you can see text my next team. Click that. Text my next team is going to take all the people in my Planning Center plan for the upcoming service. Let's say I want to send set notes. I want to say, hey guys, rehearsal's happening earlier this week. Whatever it is you want to send to your upcoming team. Now that you held your thumb down and you've selected text my next team, it's going to pull up this little box. You can type your message. This is a test, and then you can send it. Actually, before you do that, you can actually deselect people if you need to deselect people. I always like to deselect myself. And then now that you've typed your message, you can press the little send button. It's going to open your text messaging app, and then you can just press send and text your team whatever it is that you need to. This will only text the team that is directly upcoming. So it's not going to do the one 2 weeks from now or 3 weeks from now. It's your next team for the next service that you're on. But that is the fourth Planning Center hack, is to long press your icon to easily text your team. The last Planning Center hack also has to do with the app. So go ahead, open the app again. We're gonna go to our next service. And here on the bottom where you see media player, this is a great way to practice your songs, and it's great for your team to practice your songs. But if you see all of these resources here that I'm swiping right on, if they are white, it means that I'm gonna have to listen to the bass tutorial, the drum tutorial, the electric guitar tutorial. Maybe I don't need to listen to all those. Maybe you're a singer and you don't wanna listen to all these other instrumental tutorials. So a very cool hack that not a lot of people know about is if you just swipe your finger to the left, you can skip those resources for that song. Now, you might be asking, Alex, how did you get resources in the song? Well, that's a whole other tutorial, and I may make a video about it, or you can join the Worship Ministry Training Academy at worshipministrytraining.com, or link in description, and I can teach you how to do that in the academy. I have a whole course on that. But if you swipe to the left, you can skip all the things, and you do that for each of the songs so that it only plays the resources that you want to hear for practice. Now, the cool thing about this hack is that Planning Center will actually remember which resources you want to skip and which ones you want to play for each song. So next time your worship leader or you schedule that song, whatever your team members did for that, they're not gonna have to do that again each time. It's always gonna remember that when Alex sees great things, he only wants to hear this one, this specific resource. He grays out all the other ones. So it's a cool way to save time and headache and not have to press the skip button a million times for your rehearsal. So those are the 5 Planning Center hacks that I think not a lot of people know that are really going to streamline your ministry and help you out and help your team out. So I hope you liked those. If you liked those hacks, I'm going to encourage you to check out my free course for worship leaders called 8 Essentials of a Thriving Worship Ministry. You can get it by going to worshipministrytraining.com/free or worshipministrytraining.com/resources. Both of those pages will give you a whole bunch of free resources, and I'll put a link below the video for that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, and send it to 1 or 2 people that you think need to know these 5 hacks, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.